A subscriber asked me recently about how to fix linguine legs, a wobbly and precarious condition where you fool yourself into thinking that you're secure on your feet when actually you are not. If you want to cultivate leg strength and stability, I will show you in this video made specially for this community. Hi, Bill here with another Floating Bones Tai Chi insight. Stability and strength in your legs is vital for good Tai Chi and Qigong. A lot of people confuse simple balance with real stability, and that, unfortunately, is what often leads to linguine legs. But we're going to fix all that, so let's dive in. So how do you develop real stability as opposed to simple balance? We're going to develop real stability with some simple exercises that you should be practicing as much as you can. Let's start by remembering that much of what happens in the knees or in the feet is actually caused by tension in the hips. So the more we pay attention to our hips, the better things become. So let's start at the ground. Let's look at our feet. Now we want to really take the feet as we stand. We want to have that feeling that we have a roundness or an arc shape in our legs as opposed to a V shape. An arc and not a V. An arc is much more stable. I tell people to imagine that you're riding on an animal. Here in Germany, they have a special fondness for the Glückschwein. So I say, imagine you're riding on a Glückschwein. Sort of plump and round, and you kind of feel connected, and you're sort of squeezing a little this way, and you want to feel like you're driving the ball of your big toe down into the ground and slightly out to the sides, as if you're trying to dig a little divot in the floor with your big toe. This will help you, and you will immediately feel more connectedness on the insides of your legs. Now this is very, very important, especially as you begin to work on closing your gua and maintaining that stability that exists in the closed gua. You want to be nice and relaxed in the knees, relaxed in the hip, and connected as much as possible. Your weight's in the heels, your whole foot is flat on the floor, and the ball of your big toe is digging a little divot into the floor. You're riding your Glückschwein. Stand like this. Check your posture. Check that your hips are tucked under, your Mingmen is open, you're breathing deep into your Dantian, and you're nice and relaxed. And if you can stand here for several minutes, you're doing pretty well. Another important Tai Chi exercise is simply walking slowly, shifting your weight, loading up on the forward leg, closing the gua here, and pick the leg up, and in slow motion, set it down again. Take a step forward, shift your weight forward. Load the forward leg, empty the back leg, step to the rear. Shift your weight, load the leg, lift your leg. Step back, step down, relax your hips, shift your weight, shift your guas, transfer your weight. If you do this kind of step training, you will quickly develop real stability and strength in your legs. So that's really well worth doing. Another exercise is repeating a movement out of the Tai Chi form. The golden rooster stands on one leg. Be stable here. Relax. Come down. Shift your weight. Come to the other side. Lift with your Dantian. Now stay relaxed in your hips. Come down. Come across. lift. Okay. Now you want to be relaxed here in your hips. You don't want to be squunching in your hips. That's a problem. If you're squunching in your hips, you're still looking for balance. You want to stay relaxed in your hips, keep your hips level, and as you lift, come down, come up, and the more still you can remain, the more stability you're winning. Just repeat this as much as you can. This will really help you build strength in your legs. Another variation might be if you're doing brush knee with a half step, step back. Now before you weight your rear leg, just wait there a second. It builds the strength in the forward leg. Come back. Play guitar. Brush knee. Step up. Step out. Now load the other leg. Play guitar. And the more time you spend on one leg, the more strength you're developing. Okay, so try those. How is this working out for you? If this video is helping you to improve your Tai Chi, then gong the like button. I'd like to know about any questions you have, so please write them in the comments. Remember not to balance, but to improve your relaxed, connected stability. You will appreciate this as you develop your internal power. So take a look at this video coming up, and see you there.